Why? Stop.
Will, stop.
My mother's
No,
new
pull
car.
into the driveway. No.
My mother's new car gonna get smashed.
I know John didn't bargain for all of this today, though.
I know.
Didn't
He's
bargain
like,
for it.
I just wanted to shovel my
Driveway.
driveway.
I did not want to do
He was in
that.
the back there and all
I
of a
did
sudden-
not
Will
want
should have
to.
stayed away.
I did not want to
He called us-
shovel anybody else out.
Oh my God, Will. Oh yeah, and Will goes. Will's Italian. He said, "Ay ay ay, mamma mia." I don't want to even look. All right, I'm not looking at it.
But it's your baby car now that might get smashed.
Not like it would have never happened to my other car.
There's Will.
I don't want to look, Erica.
At least I'm in the house nice and warm.
What?
I'm in the house nice and warm.
He's in the house?
I am. I'd probably go and like fall and break my other ankle to help them.
What are they doing now? Oh my God.
What is he doing? He's not doing anything. Watch, he's gonna get stuck.
I'm going to slide down the driveway.
Don't hit my car. It is icy though. I don't. He's gonna.
Oh, he's going to hit the wall.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Oh.
Hey, that's your baby car now.
Oh.
she's,
Oh
she's eating strawberries.
no! Oh my God! I am not going to school ever if this is like this.
Nobody's gonna go to school like this. And our luck, we probably fall. I'm not going to the doctor's tomorrow either.
No, cancel now.
I am.
This is bad.